You suntan your feet. Well, most of it. Most of your feet.
That's from walking.
I know.
Don't put my feet on camera. They don't pay for that.
See right there's a crack. Water gets in that crack. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try this before we replace the window. Even though it's all crazy, it needs replaced. We don't really want to spend that kind of money on it right now because we just want to get going. I mean, you just have to melt it together, you know what I mean?
I guess.
I don't really know what I'm doing with this.
Yeah, I'm sure they make tutorials on YouTube.
I'm sure they do. We should probably watch YouTube, huh?
Yeah. A lot of useful information on there.
I know, right? How we could even like and subscribe on some of them.
You're funny. That smells absolutely atrocious.
I don't know. I don't know if I need to melt this into it or not.
I can still see the crack. I don't know.
I can too.
If that matters. It already looks like shit, so you might as well try.
Yeah, but I don't know what this will do.
It's coming off the melty thing.
I know.
Maybe we should stop and watch something.
Probably. I think what I should have done was probably grind it out as a V shape, which is what I thought of right before I started, but I decided I just wanted to try it.
Okay. Don't touch it.
Alright, so we tried to melt this, and it melted together, but I think it's going to re-crack. So we're going to try to stop the crack by drilling it here, but try to see. It's hard to tell where the end of it was now. I want to go until it just starts to break through so I don't have a full-on hole, which is what I did. So now I'm going to take and try to V this a little bit. Now, it looks like it splits and I need to actually drill another hole. I don't think the dust there will matter because it'll melt as I heat it, I think. About the same depth as right as it gets ready to break through. About to sweep that open a little bit. At least it's not a windy day. Alright. I hate to do this to you, but I think I need to be, actually I may need to be straight on. If I can bend my knee that way. I don't know if I can, I may just want to do it this way. Get as straight on as I can be. try to get it to start melting off.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
Well, I almost burnt myself. I damn near stuck my finger right on the hot part like I've never used a soldering iron in my life.
That would have been bad.
Oh, it would have sucked. It was really hot right where I about touched it too. I just felt the heat as I was laying my hand down by it, or my finger down by it.
I've done that.
I'll bring the camera up or something. Try to just get some of this pulled off here and turn it over that way. I don't have so much to get off there. Alright. I think we'll let this sit just a minute and kind of set up some, and then I'll try to go back there and kind of smooth it out some, and then it's not going to be pretty obviously, but as long as it works I don't care.
Yeah. How many more of these do we have to do?
That's the only one we got to do. And then I want to do around these windows because this one quit leaking other than this crack, because it was leaking all around in here and stuff. Other than this crack, sometimes it's leaking. And this one quit leaking. You know, we should have put tape down and made this look nice, but it was getting ready to rain again, and it happened to be dry, and I was trying to get it on there in a hurry, and I didn't even think to lay tape down because I'm an idiot. So anyway, we have this nasty jagged line. These we're gonna tape them.
Yeah, we're
So we
gonna
can-
tape
so we can make it look nice. We kind of cleaned this one up a little bit. It was way worse, but yeah, we put tape on this for a while. That's how we know that the window's fixed. We had tape on that, and when the tape was new, it wasn't leaking anymore. And then the tape is not new now, and it was basically falling off. So now we're fixing it. I wouldn't say right, but we're fixing it. But I think this is going to work. If it don't, we'll replace the window. We'll replace at least this one. The price to do this is somewhere between $500 and $1,000, and they're crazed and not in that good a shape. Obviously, this is the only one that's cracked, but we just don't feel like it's worth our money right now to replace them. So we just want to get started and get going and replace that stuff along the way. That's fine, but we got plenty of other things we need to do to get it ready to go. Obviously we want it to not leak, but I don't think that them being crazy is just going to stop us.
No, as long as the windows don't leak, I'm not really worried about how they look, to be honest.
Yeah. And I don't really like this. It kind of looks like crap, but hey, it looks better than blue tape. It don't stick out like a sore thumb. There's bird shit there. There's bird shit over here. They're standing on it right now. It's just all over the place. We haven't had any issues with birds. There's been crows everywhere lately. I was scaring them off earlier. Kept landing on top of the mast. So I had to shake the line. Oh, I only did it twice. What are you doing there, bud?
Pulling tape off of the windows
Nice.
because they started to leak, so we taped them up.
It would have been easier to just do it the right way the first time, but it kept getting wet all the time. It was raining all the time then, and then we got lazy. We should have done it sooner, but
Yeah, this tape's been on here for what?
at least 6-8 months, maybe longer. We were living on it when we put it on there,
Yeah.
so it can't be a year. So we've
We
only
had
lived
tape.
on it. I've lived on it 11 months. You guys have lived on it 10.
We had tape on it, and then, well, we had trash bags taped over,
Yeah.
and then we thought we got it fixed, so we pulled the plastic off.
Yeah, we thought it was something else causing that leak.
Yeah, and then it started leaking again, so we
It took a while though. It was a
Yeah.
while before it started leaking again.
Yeah. You know what goes great with boat projects?
What's that?
Beer.
It does. It's not cold yet though.
Cold when we bought it.
Me and you have a different idea of what a cold beer should be like then.
I drink beer room temperature now.
And I used to drink it warmer than that when we were out riding bikes.
Yeah.
I won't mention what kind of bikes it was, but bicycles.
Bicycles, yeah.
Yeah,
Bicycles.
bicycles.
For really athletic people.
Yeah, I used to be athletic. I'm not now. How's it looking? Where you been? Good enough that we can probably get it off with a rag and alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It works a lot better if you don't get it wet first.
Yeah, I bet.
I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy.
Can you let me do it for a minute?
It's more that I can't get a good angle because my back is
Mine is too.
lazy.
You suntan your feet. Well, most of it. Most of your feet.
That's from walking.
I know.
Don't put my feet on camera. They don't pay
What?
for that.
Today is a good day to live.
Surface dust, I think, is all it's getting.
Say what?
I think it's just getting surface dust.
Probably. I can still see it on there. We've got most of it, but it just has to be rubbed on a lot. It's coming off. Alright. Well, so all we got left now is this little corner here. We're about done with it. It's not hard to do, but definitely time consuming.
Yeah, I was making breakfast and he was out here cleaning this, and the kids were complaining to each other about the thumping noise, blaming each other for it. And I was
That
like,
was
it's
me.
your dad. Chill.
That's funny. I think we're good there. We just need to get a clean rag and wipe it all off now.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go do that other window real quick. That back one.
Okay. So we're taping the windows and then the frame around the windows so that we can have a gap to put the silicone on. And by we, I mean him. I'm just here for moral support. That was a good job.
What?
That corner.
I
I forget sometimes that you used to do this.
That's what I used to do every single day of my life.
Yeah.
You know, I'll have to fix that little spot there. I'm a little out of practice, but step past me.
It's a hell of a lot better than I would have done. I would have had to pull off 50 million little pieces of tape here and there.
I used to stick it here and run it all the way down the bedside.
Yeah. I remember.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's
So unfortunately we didn't get any clips of actually putting the silicone on the windows, but there will be some clips of it after at the end of the video.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day.
All right, so we got this here fixed with the plastic welder. It's obviously it's not the prettiest, but it's not leaking. We ran some water over it. This here, like I was talking about, where I didn't tape it because I got in a hurry. I should have, because if you look at this one, how nice it looks taped, it's way better than this, and that's still a little wet. That was stupid. Put it on there because I'm gonna have to slice that off anyway. But anyway, it's on there. That's fixed. This is all done. It's just got to set up, and come around here to this other side and show you it. Got it all cleaned up all around. Got all the excess off where I smeared some. Now it's just got to cure up and should be good to go. We put it on. It was pretty chilly, so it got pretty chilly the night before. So it's supposed to rain though, so we'll get to see if it actually leaks or not. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully everything's good on it and we don't have to worry about it. But who knows? Like I said, it was cold. This is what we used. It's called Dow 795. We've used it quite a bit so far. It's actually just about gone. I saved I don't know, that much maybe that's left, because it's kind of expensive. But so far we've used it on stuff. We've glued things down with it and we've sealed things with it. And it's pretty good stuff so far. But we were right at the low temperature. Actually, it was slightly below it at night, so it's still sticky, and this is the next day. So I'm hoping, keep fingers crossed, but hoping that it actually sets up. If not, we may have to clean it all back out and restart. Anyway, later, fools.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
When you saw my dreams are turning real, so unreal. Don't you like it better when the ocean's warm?